Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about the Ford wheel spacers. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could low spare issues when it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires. Using wheel spacers is a cost-effective approach to increase the wheel track width without breaking your budget to buy a new set of expensive rims. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM ODM too. If you need BONOSS wheel spacers with special techniques or ball pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, the BONOSS custom spacers is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special techniques, 3mm to 116mm. There are a lot of tools for your customized PCD conversion wheels adapters. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.